Tucked between a bookstore and a tiny bakery on a sleepy street was Devonasia, a curio shop that smelled like a blend of dried herbs, old paper, and something a little mysterious. Devonasia herself, the owner and namesake, was a craftswoman and herbalist, her natural hair crowned like a halo, glasses perched on her nose as she arranged jars of bath soaks, herbal oils, and little bundles of dried flowers on crooked wooden shelves. She hummed softly, stirring a pot of hibiscus and ginger syrup behind the counter. It was a slow Tuesday, just how she liked it, until a taxi pulled up out front. Through the fogged window, she spotted a woman with a patchwork coat and a crate filled with colorful, floppy shapes. The woman pushed open the door, ringing the little bell above it. "Hi, I'm D'Angel. I make handmade felt toys, mostly whimsical creatures and some very odd animals. I booked a room nearby but couldn't resist stopping in." Devonasia blinked. "A room? This is a shop." D'Angel laughed, setting down her crate. "I know, I'm new in town. Thought I'd see what magic I could find." Over cups of rosehip chai and flaky scones that seemed to defy the laws of breakfast pastries, the two women clicked instantly. D'Angel told stories of felt commissions, including one for a jellyfish with googly eyes, while Devonasia shared a few herbal tricks. Later that night, as D'Angel settled into a small apartment above the shop, Devonasia returned to her workshop. She opened a jar of mugwort and froze. In the corner, a felt creature, round, plush, with button eyes and tiny stitched wings, twitched its head toward her. It blinked.